Are you tired of scrolling endlessly through Fiverr, trying to find the perfect freelancer or gig without success? What if I told you there's a whole world of Fiverr alternatives waiting for you? Hey everyone, welcome back to Skill Curve. Here at Skill Curve, we post daily videos on new cutting-edge technologies. Buckle up, because today we're embarking on an epic journey beyond Fiverr, uncovering the top 12 alternatives for Fiverr in 2024 that will redefine your online work experience. Whether you're in search of unparalleled talent or the perfect gig to showcase your skills, we have got the map to treasures untold. So let's dive right in. On number 1, we have Upwork. Upwork serves as a colossal marketplace that connects freelancers with employers from all corners of the globe. Its standout feature is the creation of specialized or agency profiles, allowing freelancers to showcase their diverse talents in separate, focused portfolios. This ensures that when a project comes along, only the most relevant skills are displayed to potential clients, simplifying the hiring process. Despite its vast pool of talent leading to stiff competition, Upwork's robust escrow payment protection, detailed feedback system, and the ability to highlight certifications make it a top choice for those seeking a reliable freelancing platform. On number 2, we have PeoplePerHour. PeoplePerHour offers a unique blend of flexibility and precision for freelancers and employers alike. Thanks to its dual billing models, hourlies and fixed price projects, this platform stands out with its AI-based matchmaking, which efficiently connects employers with the right freelancers. And its Works team feature a centralized workspace that simplifies project management. However, the platform's slow withdrawal process and somewhat complex sign-up for freelancers can be deterrents. Despite these challenges, PeoplePerHour's detailed profiles, powerful search capabilities, and escrow-based payment protection system make it a valuable resource for freelancers worldwide. On number 3, we have Toptal. Toptal prides itself on being an exclusive network for top freelance talent, specializing in connecting highly vetted professionals with clients ready to pay premium rates for their projects. The platform's rigorous screening ensures that only the best freelancers get through, providing employers with a guarantee of quality and reliability. Toptal's AI-powered matching system quickly connects clients with freelancers, offering both hourly and project-based billing, protected by an escrow system. While the high entry barrier may seem daunting, the promise of access to top-tier projects and clients makes it a coveted platform for freelancers seeking to elevate their careers. On number 4, we have Solid Gigs. Solid Gigs is a subscription-based service that differentiates itself by creating freelance job opportunities from across the web, delivering them directly to your inbox. This platform is ideal for freelancers looking to save time on job hunting, providing a weekly list of the best gigs tailored to your skills and interests. In addition to job listings, Solid Gigs offer resources and masterclasses for skill development, fostering a vibrant community of freelancers. While it acts more as an aggregator than a traditional marketplace, its approach to simplifying the search for quality gigs makes it an attractive option for busy freelancers. Freelancer stands as one of the most established online marketplaces, offering a wide range of opportunities through its evolved ecosystem. It accommodates various billing methods, including contests for creative projects and fixed price bids for everything else. Freelancers can enhance their profiles with detailed skill listings and certifications, increasing their credibility and attractiveness to potential employers. However, the platform's complexity and the challenge for free members to win bids can be hurdles. Nonetheless, freelancers' powerful search features, milestone payment system, and comprehensive project management tools make it a go-to for many in the freelance community. Freelancer may not boast as extensive as project category lists as some other platforms, but it shines for content writers, designers, software developers, and digital marketers with its flexible project bidding system and milestone payments. The platform ensures secure transactions with its escrow system and offers a work diary for organizing project-related files and information. While the number of new jobs posted daily may be limited and customer service responsiveness could improve, Freelancer's emphasis on skill tests and certifications helps freelancers stand out in their respective fields. On number 7, we have Guru. Guru offers freelancers a stable source of income with its unique feature of built-in recurring payments, fostering long-term relationships between freelancers and businesses. The platform covers the basic with hourly, fixed price, task-based, and recurring payment models, all protected with milestones. Despite a somewhat dated interface and a smaller pool of employers, Guru's powerful search and filter options, flexible proposal methods, and dedicated workrooms provide a comprehensive environment for freelancers seeking reliable work. On number 8, we have Outsourcely. Outsourcely sets itself apart by allowing direct, commission-free interactions between employers and freelancers, making it an attractive platform for long-term collaborations. It offers paid subscription options for employers and a featured profile option for freelancers to gain more visibility. Despite a lower volume of job postings and a complex verification process, Outsourcely's commitment to facilitating real-time collaboration through messaging, collaboration tools, and native time tracking offers a unique proposition for those looking to bypass traditional freelancing fees. On number 9, we have 99 Designs. 99 Designs is a creative haven for graphic designers, offering a platform to compete in design contests or secure fixed-price projects. It specializes in various design projects including logos, brand identities, and web designs, allowing designers to showcase their talents and employers to find creative solutions. While the competitive nature of contests may not always guarantee work, the platform's rich profiles, direct hiring options, and collaboration tools provide a vibrant community for designers seeking to make their mark. On our list at number 10, we have ComeUp. ComeUp is an emerging platform that connects a wide range of freelancers from graphic designers and writers to digital marketers and coaches. With businesses seeking their services, freelancers can list their services in package forms, appealing to clients looking for bulk offerings. The platform's built-in messaging, PayPal integration, and escrow system ensures secure transactions and communication. Although navigating ComeUp might be challenging due to ongoing development on a focus on price-sensitive markets, its potential for growth and the opportunity to gain visibility through ratings and feedback make it a noteworthy contender. On number 11, we have FlexJobs. FlexJobs stand out in the remote and flexible job market by offering a meticulous, curated list of freelance, part-time, and full-time positions. Unlike most freelancing platforms, FlexJob emphasizes work-life balance and flexibility, making it an ideal choice for those seeking non-traditional employment opportunities. Each job listing is hand-screened for legitimacy, ensuring a scam-free experience and saving time for job seekers. While it requires a subscription fee, the investment is often considered worthwhile for access to high-quality, diverse job opportunities not readily available on free sites. FlexJobs also provides a wealth of resources including career coaching and resume reviews, making it a comprehensive career platform for those dedicated to finding flexible work arrangements. Last but certainly not least, on number 12, we have Behance. Adobe's portfolio platform serves as a vibrant showcase for creatives to display their work, from graphic design and photography to fashion and illustration. While not a traditional job board, Behance acts as a powerful networking tool, allowing artists to gain exposure and connect with potential clients and employers. The platform encourages creative collaboration and discovery through project showcases, making it a fertile ground for inspiration and professional growth. Behance integration with Adobe's Creative Cloud offers seamless workflow and visibility advantages, making it an essential platform for creatives looking to elevate their online presence and connect with a global audience. Additionally, the job list feature enables members to find freelance and full-time opportunities tailored to their skills, bridging the gap between showcasing work and securing employment. And there you have it, the top 12 alternatives for Fiverr in 2024. Remember, each platform we have ventured through today offers its unique treasures. Now, it's your turn to chart your course, dive into these platforms, explore their realms, and discover where you can make your mark. If you found this insightful, hit that like button and share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Skill Curb for more content on cutting-edge technologies. Ring that notification bell to never miss out on our daily updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video where we continue to curb your skills with the latest tech. Stay curious and keep exploring.